subscribe.
Bringing you the magic Play-Doh Mega Fun Factory that will turn Play-Doh eggs into surprise eggs. First, let's take a look at how the Mega Fun Factory works. We'll grab some red Play-Doh and insert it at the start of the Mega Fun Factory. Then we'll press this red button to turn on the conveyor belt and start extruding the red Play-Doh. Now we'll cut the Play-Doh we've extruded and let it go down the belt. And we'll press down this stamper to make some fun shapes. Oh, and you could turn this dial to switch the stamp shapes if you want. Once it goes further down the belt, we'll press down the cutter to separate the Play-Doh shapes. Bam! And just like that, we made two awesome shapes. We made a rubber duck. And a truck.
This is so cool!
Now let's see the magical properties of this Mega Fun Factory and turn some Play-Doh eggs into surprise eggs. Let's extrude some more red Play-Doh onto the conveyor belt. Now we'll cut the Play-Doh and mold it into a Play-Doh egg shape. Once we have the shape, we'll continue it down the conveyor belt and wait for it. Whoa! It magically turned into a Disney Frozen surprise egg. This Mega Fun Factory rocks! Let's check out our surprise egg. Here are all the surprises we can collect. We also get some stickers. Here's Anna and Olaf. Ooh, we get some jelly bean-like candy. And our surprise toy is this pink comb with an Olaf and Sven picture.
I can brush my hair anytime now.
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun! Let's make another egg. This time, we'll insert some yellow Play-Doh. Turn it on.
Whoa!
Let's shape this into an egg. Okay, down the conveyor belt you go.
Go, go, go!
Oh, here it comes! Here it comes! Yes! We turned another Play-Doh egg into a surprise egg! This time we got a Peppa Pig surprise egg. Let's open it up. We get a bunch of Peppa Pig stickers. Oh, we even get one with George. Here are some white and pink colored candies. Oh, nice! For the surprise toy, it looks like we got a Peppa Pig spinner. Shall we give it a try?
Spin it!
And when will it stop? This might go on for a while, so let's just stop it here. Alright, Play-Doh Mega Fun Factory, give us another one! Let's use some yellow Play-Doh. Turn the factory on. Okay, now let's shape this into a yellow egg. Yellow Play-Doh egg. Something very magical is gonna happen to you soon. Come on, don't let us down. Woohoo! The Fun Factory did it again. Another surprise egg. The yellow Play-Doh egg magically transformed into this Angry Bird surprise egg. Let's check it out. Here's some multicolored candy. We get 4 Angry Bird stickers. Our Angry Bird surprise toy is, I guess you could call it a spinner or a noisemaker. Not like the one we found earlier though, but you grab the stick on the spinner and twirl it around. It should make a noise while you spin it too. Can't stop here! Now we'll insert some blue Play-Doh. Follow the same steps as before. Hopefully this Mega Fun Factory still has a lot of magic powers left. Can't wait to see what a blue Play-Doh egg turns into. Alright, down the belt you go. Give us something good. Give us something good. Yes! We got a Kinder Joy! Wow!
A Kinder Joy? I love this factory!
Well, let's not waste any more time and get to opening. Let's start by checking out this golden half. And if you've never opened up a Kinder Joy before, the golden half is where you'll find the Kinder Chocolate.
Yum!
Let's grab the spoon on the other half. And what you want to do is get some of the Ferrero Rocher. Make sure you scoop up the bottom because this is where the milk chocolate is. And make sure you get the white chocolate on top too.
It's a delicious bite.
Now it's time for our surprise toy. Whoa, we got a lot of pieces. Let's check out the instructions. Oh, it's the Crazy Friends, and we got some sort of shooting toy. Let me quickly assemble all of this. Here's our Crazy Friend. Actually, compared to all of the other Crazy Friends we've seen so far, that one looks pretty normal. And here's the base. We could set our Crazy Friend right on top of it. Ooh, we get this fireball sticker to put on the disc.
Ready, set, go!
Woo! Nice shot! Let's go again! Ah, that was a little weak. One more time!
That was even weaker.
Our Crazy Friend must be tired. Let's make another Play-Doh egg. We'll use the blue Play-Doh again. Turn the Fun Factory on.
And extrude!
Okay, I think the Fun Factory has enough magic to make one more surprise egg.
Give us a good one.
Bye-bye, Play-Doh egg. See you when you transform.
The suspense is killing me! What's our last egg?
What? We got a Disney princess egg! No way! Oh my goodness! Let's open it up right away! Here are all the princess surprise toys we can collect. Whoa, we got a large Sleeping Beauty sticker, or some of you know her as Princess Aurora. What is this? Oh, nice! Instead of candy, this egg comes with a cookie. And our surprise toy is...
Pretty as a princess.
Whoa! We got a picture of all the princesses. You can just move it left and right to see all of them. How neat! Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.